Welcome to Ken's World! Patrick! Do you know what day is it?
Patrick's Day.
St. Patrick's Day, that's right. St. Patrick's Day, baby boy. And that's where you got your name from, is first of all from your grandfather, whose name was Patrick, and he was such a great man. He was named after St. Patrick, the patron saint of Ireland. So when he was born, he was given the name Patrick to celebrate his birth and to honor St. Patrick. And your name is Patrick. We decided that we will name you Patrick to honor your grandfather. Again, such a great man, one of the best men that ever lived. And also honor St. Patrick. So that's where your name came from, Patrick. How do you feel about that?
Yes.
Yeah, you should feel good.
Since it's a special day and you've been a good boy, you've been so nice, and I had something for you.
Yeah?
Yeah?
Yeah.
How did you know?
Because you buy me it.
I bought you that? Because why? Did you choose it?
Yeah.
Okay. Dun, 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 dun. Ta-da! What is it?
A Buzz Lightyear spaceship. I can open it without the scissors. Like this.
You can go sit over there.
Wow.
And it has a little...
Man, and it opens wheels. But the wheels don't move, right?
What? It
The
opens
wheels-
what?
It opens wheels, but the wheels doesn't move.
Let me see. So it opens the wheels. It close and open. Oh, okay.
Yeah, but the wheels don't move.
Okay, and how about the
Man.
man?
This thing opens.
Okay, where's the man?
Here.
Okay. Wanna try to put it on?
Yeah.
So we're going to say.
Thank you.
So there's the man over there. What is this called? A jet?
It's a spaceship. Look at the engines.
Wow. Where's the engine?
Here.
Wow.
What are you doing?